Today I will explain about the cladding works, how we can choose the curtain wall to convert like cladding. Okay, right. Now, first of all, I just draw one normal wall. Okay, I will choose level 1 and level 2, base constant and top constants. And here I will take around 4000 mm. Okay, so I'll put it 4000 millimeter. Same time, I can go to level. I increase the level height around 6000. Okay, all right. So this is my wall. Again, I can choose the wall. I will choose the storefront wall. Okay, I'll create like this. So here I can move it near to this wall. So yeah, it's done. I can go to choose the 3D. See, it's look like that this way. Okay, all right. Now I can choose my curtain wall. Here I can choose 600 by 600. Okay, and the same time I think the 600 is very small, so I can put it 1200 and 1200. And here also I can change it like uh, 30 square. Okay, vertical and horizontal. I will change the booleans 30 Okay, now it's okay. I just shaded this one. Right. Now I can go to choose this one for curtain wall, and here I can make it the function exterior, and the curtain panel I will change the solid. Okay, I'll make it solid. So it's look like this. Now I can choose the tab key, go to choose edit. I can put it 30, and thickness I will put it around 15. Apply. So here I can put it minus 30. So it's look like now this one. Okay, you can find it. So again, I can go back to level. So I just move it a little bit near to this one. Again, I will choose the tab key. So material, I will choose it. It's in the default. So I can choose it clad white. Okay. And here I'll make it minus around 15 like that. Yeah. Now it's clear. Now you can find out. So it's look like a ACP panel. Okay. Can go back to level, choose the camera view. Now you can easily find the claddings. look like claddings. But we created this one, we convert this one to our curtain walls. Okay, so I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.